What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do an overview slash review of a knife that I really think doesn't need any introduction, but just in case, it is the Kunwu Padre. Now, I kind of wanted to do this real quick because they're actually having another one come out. It's a REC, or a River's Edge Cutlery exclusive. Had to make sure I said that right. I always get cutlery wrong. But it's River's Edge Cutlery. They're going to have a... We'll get into that here in a second. Let's just get the review kind of going. Um, this is a very, very popular knife. I really do like it. I was kind of skeptical on it just because of the way it kind of looked. I didn't really care for the edge of the blade, not the blade, but like the handle, how it was curved and everything like that. So that was one reason that kind of turned me off. I think this has been out about 5, 6 months maybe. In the comment section, let me know if I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong, but I think it's been out maybe I'll say 5 months, because I got mine about 2 months ago. And that was just because I kind of gave into it and got it. And boy, I am not disappointed. But I absolutely love this thing. Even though I thought this was going to be goofy with the handle. Handle is, it really is awesome. Like it feels great in your hand. It really just kind of forms to it, I feel like. I have smaller hands, so maybe that's why for me. I don't know. But it really just sits in that little cutout for it, you know. It's perfect. And you also have that nice choil right there if you want to choke up a little bit and really kind of get your thumb up there a little bit and really kind of get in the cutting something, you know. Like if you're doing some fine cutting and stuff like that, like you can really get that point in there and do your thing. Texturing, the diamond titanium texturing. This was my first one of I guess their Kunwu knives, their design of it. I think they have usually a diamond texturing on every knife they have, just about, except like the older ones. I know they have it for like the Pulsar, the S-Tau, Chad, and this. I'm not sure about others. Oh, and the Django, that's another one. And I was really kind of skeptical about that also, but it really, like, it's not like cheese grater. Like, it's not like a cheese grater type feeling. It's really comfortable in the hand, and it provides great grip. Like, yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was going to be like a cheese grater, but it really isn't. Let me get a close up of it for you. There you go. See, it really it does feel good in your hand. I'm not even joking. Like, it's not bad at all. It's just very, very nice. And it also provides great texture for gripping onto it, obviously, because you don't want to lose the knife in your hand and then light yourself up with a nice little cut. Um, Great knife overall, though. Really like the jimping. Great jimping on it. That was one thing I was also kind of wondering about. Great jimping. Loved it. Feels great in the thumb. The backspacer is another. It's like the jimping, obviously. It's a little bit closer together if you look. So it's kind of got that same feel, but it's great feeling. Like I love this knife. Um, Obviously titanium backspacer, titanium milled pocket clip. Love the pocket clip too. It is reversible, as you can kind of see, but obviously the knife is not because it's a frame lock. But they also do make lefty versions of it. Now, obviously those are not in stock, and they probably weren't making very many of those because there's not as many lefties out there, which kind of feels bad for, because it sucks. But at least you can change the pocket clip out, which is nice. But they do keep coming out with different things with their knives. Like, I didn't think they were going to make any more Chads, but then they did another release recently, which I got me one. I haven't got it in yet, but it's en route. So I can always kind of be on the lookout for them. And one reason why I wanted to do this video right now today is because I want to get this video out, obviously also on YouTube. But they are also doing like I said, the River's Edge exclusive. So check that out. It's going to be all blacked out, River's Edge Cutlery. It's an exclusive, and they're going to have that DLC coating. This is a stonewash real quick. Let me show you the coating real quick. This is the DLC coating, and it's reflective. Not really reflective, but it's just shiny. Well, I guess you could call it reflective. But it's super awesome. Like, it's nice. I love this thing too, and I love the coating they put on there. Like, it's phenomenal. So I would say pick it up. I don't know how much it's going to be, but it's going to be on that website, but check it out. Let's get back to this bad boy, though. I went over some jimping, the backspacer. Love their pocket clips. They also have different pocket clips out there for the other knives, so check those out. Some of the knives came out with like wire pocket clips, and then they came out with replacements for it. Like, obviously, that's like the titanium ones. Also for the Pulsar, let me show you guys that real quick too. They also came out with pocket clips for it, like the titanium ones. So you can get a, if you don't like this, I know a lot of people don't, and honestly, I'm getting ready to buy one probably this week of the titanium version. It'll be a lot like this, except obviously not 2 screw holes, you know, stuff like that. So check it out. Kunwu is always doing great things. Okay, and I know a lot of people don't, they say, oh, USA made all the way, but I'm telling you, like I am too, I love USA made knives, but they're so daggone expensive for what you get sometimes. And Kunwu, like, yes, they're Chinese, but they hit the nail on the head. Excuse me, let me get that right real quick. They hit the head on the nail. Did I say that right? They hit, I swear, I'm having a bad day. They hit the nail on the head. I'm not good with words, I guess, apparently, but that's all right. But great knife. Let's get some links real quick for you guys. Man, my brain's been fried. I ain't been sleeping well. Found out my wife's pregnant, so that would be my first actual kid. So, kind of got that fog brain right now. Excited, but fog brain. Now, the overall cutting edge, I would say, is about 3 inches. The overall blade length is right at 8, so it's real close. Like this says, I said that, I guess it's a little longer than 3. The cutting edge, I would probably say, is like almost 3 and 1/8. 3.15, around there, you know. Give or take. I'm not perfect, you know, it's probably wrong. Obviously not exactly right is what I'm trying to say, but that's all right. Now let's check out this weight for you. Because since it is titanium, it's got a little bit of weight on it, but I don't mind that because, you know, I always put it in my pocket, I always wear jeans, and I always wear a belt. And also I do wear like shorts and everything like that, like gym shorts, and I don't have any problems. It still can go in there. Usually it just sits at the bottom of the pocket by itself. So as you can see, it is a little bit of a chunker, but it's just, it's worth it. Come on, 5.2, worth it. I think it's worth it. I don't know, that's my opinion. They are, so obviously you might have problems finding these, and I will admit that. They come in and out of stock. That's why I told you about the exclusive coming out. They also, you can find them on NAF sale, or there's another website out there. They kind of do get some Kunwu knives. Sometimes it's Love Them Knives. It's LUVTHEM, and then knives, obviously. It's all one word. But or if you just Google it, should come up. But he's got some, I don't know about Padres, he's had some Kunwus come through there. And these are just people selling them and stuff like that. So just be on the lookout. And they may be price gouging, I don't know. Just it sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. You can't do anything about it. But I would check out for that exclusive coming out. I didn't talk about the actual blade. It is a Vanex Super Clean. Love Vanex. It's probably my top steel. Like, I know a lot of people like Magna Cut and stuff like that. And nothing against Magna Cut. I do like it. And I think it's a really good steel, but I think Vanex to me is just my number one right now. I do like it. I feel like it's, I don't know. Maybe it's because I don't have a lot of experience with Magna Cut just yet, and I've got some with Vanex, and Vanex hasn't failed me yet, so I'm just going to stick with it. It also has a Damascus pivot collar on both sides, which was pretty cool. It's kind of nice little detail. And it is a liner lock, or a frame lock. I don't know if I said that. But it is a frame lock, just in case you didn't know. What else is there really to say about this bad boy? It is a front flipper with the thumb hole. Opens very smooth either way. Like, for a big knife, you really would think it would be like maybe a little slower on the flip and everything like that. But I've never had a problem with it. It opens up smooth every time, and it's just phenomenal. Now let's check out that size real quick also with a comparison. This is the Vosteed RS Chaos. That's what it is. And this is a little bit bigger of a knife also. So as you can see there, it's pretty close. I don't even know. It's pretty close. That's all I'm going to stick with. And I'm going to go back with the old faithful right here, the Civivi Praxis. Now, I would say the Praxis is obviously bigger, as you can see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's bigger than both. But so it is a little bit, smaller than the Praxis. But I still consider anything that's close to the Praxis a good sized knife. It's really all I got. Like, it's just a great knife, and I can't say enough good things. It is $300. I don't know about the exclusive. It may be more. So that's just something to look out for. That's really all I had. Just have a great day. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, please. I appreciate it. If you guys know about the blade shape, let me know if it's a drop point or a clip point. I think it's drop point. With all the misinformation out there, you never know. I think it's drop point from my experiences. I'm not a professional like knife reviewer. I just do and say how I feel and what I think about them. But yeah, just leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys had something else to say, or if you guys know when that REC exclusive's coming out. Let me know, please. That'd be great because I'm thinking about getting another one. But have a great rest of your day.